Hello, everyone. Welcome to this mini lecture. In the previous 3 lessons, we learned about the image repair tools in Photoshop, which allow us to quickly fix spots and blemishes in images. Photoshop also offers professional image retouching tools, including the Blur tool, Sharpen tool, Smudge tool, Dodge tool, Burn tool, and Sponge tool. These retouching tools are used to retouch images and create various effects. In this lesson, we will focus on the Blur tool, Sharpen tool, and Smudge tool. These tools help control the contrast and clarity of an image, enabling the creation of realistic and flawless images. The learning objectives for this lesson are: 1. Master the use of the Blur tool. 2. Master the use of the Sharpen tool. 3. Master the use of the Smudge tool. I'll demonstrate how to use these tools with practical examples. The Blur tool is primarily used for photo retouching, reducing image details by softening the image to highlight the main subject. Start the software, and press Ctrl+O to open the object.jpg file from the relevant resources. Select the Blur tool from the toolbox, then set an appropriate brush size in the options bar. Set the mode to normal, and the strength to 100%. Move the cursor to the left side of the image, click and hold while smudging repeatedly. You will see the area where you applied the tool becoming blurred. When setting parameters in the options bar, note that the higher the strength value, the more pronounced the blur effect will be. The Sharpen tool sharpens the image by increasing the contrast between adjacent pixels, making the image appear clearer. Start the software, and you will see that the flowers in the image are somewhat blurry. Select the Sharpen tool from the toolbox, then set an appropriate brush size in the options bar. Set the mode to normal, and the strength to 50%. Then repeatedly smudge over the blurry parts of the flowers to gradually sharpen them. The options bar for the Sharpen tool is almost identical to that of the Blur tool. When processing the image, if you want a more exaggerated sharpening effect, you can uncheck the Protect Detail checkbox. The effect created with the Smudge tool is similar to smudging wet oil paint, where colors blend and spread. Start the software, and press Ctrl+O to open the bare.jpg file from the relevant resources. Select the Smudge tool from the toolbox, then choose a soft brush in the options bar. Set the brush size to 6 pixels, and the strength to 50%. Uncheck the Sample All Layers checkbox, then smudge along the edges of the bare. Patiently smudge all the continuous edges to give the bare a fluffy effect. In this lesson, we learned about the applications of the Blur tool, Sharpen tool, and Smudge tool. Please complete the following exercises and practice further to deepen your understanding and improve your skills. That concludes this lesson. See you next time.